Thinking of shopping from thebeautynorth.com for some trendy women's fashion at eye-catching prices? Hold on a second before you hit that checkout button. There are a few things you need to know that could save you from a disappointing experience. The site advertises fashionable dresses, jeans, and accessories, and offers a tempting $5 discount if you spend over $30 using PayPal. At first glance, it all seems appealing, especially with the sleek website design and modern product photos. But when you dig deeper, the red flags start stacking up. For starters, the domain was only registered in 2023, which makes it a very new website, a common trait of short-lived scam stores that disappear quickly after collecting payments. The company's listed address is vague and unverifiable, and there's no clear return address provided, which can be a major issue if you ever need to return a product or file a complaint. Even more concerning, many of the product images on the site appear to be lifted from other retailers or stock photo sources, raising doubts about whether the products even exist or match what's delivered. Adding to the suspicion, there's no official social media presence, no real customer engagement, and absolutely no verified reviews from buyers. While this doesn't outright confirm that it's a scam, it definitely doesn't inspire confidence. So if you're thinking about shopping here, it's worth questioning if the deals are truly worth the risk, especially when so many similar sites have turned out to be more trouble than they're worth.